Okay, foodies, to make some delicious, impressive chicken wings, all you'll need is some chicken wings. I use the ones from the big warehouse that starts with the letter C. These usually come in packs of 3, so I'm just using one of those packs today. And as you will see, I've already opened one of those packs and put them into a bowl overnight with my favorite seasoning, which is the smoked paprika and garlic and herb seasoning. Now, important note, remember, foodies, one of the great benefits of your convection steam oven is that you don't need to use any lubricants like a bunch of oils or butter. So these chicken wings sat overnight just with the spice on them. There is no olive oil, no butter mixed in with these wings. Next, you'll just need your solid pan and a piece of parchment paper. Next, as you can see here, you'll just want to line up your chicken wings neatly. You want to leave a little bit of space in between them. You do not want to pile them up on top of one another. You want to allow them to cook nicely and evenly. And now this pan is ready to load into our convection steam oven. Our chicken wings are loaded into the convection steam oven. You want to make sure you place your pan on level 2. We will be using the convection steam mode today, so remember, foodies, another courtesy reminder, make sure your water reservoir is filled and ready to go. You will be setting your machine again to convection steam mode. You're going to set your machine to 400 degrees, and you are going to set the timer to 20 minutes. You know the drill. Convection steam oven will let you know when your chicken wings are ready to enjoy. Alrighty, foodies, our chicken wings are done. Let's open up the CSO and see what's inside. Ooh. Look at those amazing, beautiful chicken wings. They look absolutely perfect. Yum. And the smell is truly gonna knock your socks off. Let's get these wings plated. Foodies, these chicken wings are not only delicious, but they are absolutely gorgeous. There's just no reason to grill or fry chicken wings when they can be made this easily right in your convection steam oven. You can certainly serve these chicken wings plain or with your favorite dressing and a little bit of celery. And with Super Bowl Sunday right around the corner, there's no reason to not start practicing your chicken wing perfection now. Eat some now and make some later for your friends. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed today's culinary adventure. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. I'm Eva, the Steam Oven Diva.